water in the ground, water in a glass, water in your food. Water may seem like it's everywhere, but it may all just be an illusion. There may seem like there's a lot of water in the world, but actually only 3% of that is fresh water. In Canada, we are blessed with the amount of fresh water we have, but if we are not careful with this precious resource, we'll end up like other places in the world. Look, for example, at India and Africa. Every year, there are people that die of thirst there and waterborne diseases. Every biotic factor in the ecosystem needs water to survive. Remember how I said that only 3% of the world's water is fresh water? Well, let's cut that again, because only 30% of that fresh water is consumable. The rest is stuck in glaciers or is in the air as mist or dew.
Everyone loves a glass of water, but somehow we waste water every day.
Every day, our water resources are diminishing. Soon enough, we won't have any water left. Think of the Aral Sea. It used to be the fourth largest freshwater lake in the world. Sadly, due to overuse, it is now diminished to 10% its original size. We all know what we're doing, but no one wants to step forward and help. Close your eyes and imagine what it would look like if there is no more water left in the world, not even any floating in the air. It would impact agriculture, cooking, shipment, even cleaning floors. Face it, we can't survive without this precious resource. Before we came along, the animals were doing fine with keeping a healthy ecosystem. We caused this problem, and we are the only ones that can fix it. We caused it with overuse, overconsumption, like taking a glass of water and only drinking half of it, then dumping the rest down the drain.
Pour it down the drain, and our world seems the same. But if you love something, you don't throw it away.
We even caused this problem with global warming. Remember how hot it was this summer? Well, a lot of water levels went down because of that. The dryness was caused by global warming because the heat evaporated all the water. Everybody takes for granted of this precious resource. From now on, make water your new best friend. You can't stop using water, and nothing else can either. Unless your life goal is to be a crinkly old raisin, that is. Did you know about 70% of our body is made out of water? So we know we can't stop using water, but there are a lot of different ways we can conserve it. I know there are a lot of small ways you can conserve it, but I like to think big. So what can we do to conserve water? Only buy as much food as you need. Don't buy excess, because the excess food that you buy probably needed fresh water to be made. Try not to dump things down the sink and toilet that could go in the garbage. For example, chemicals, soup, and fat. Because ultimately, that water comes back into our freshwater resources. And some stuff just can't be cleaned out. And then it affects the fish and animals that drink and eat from that water.
Oh, I hate to see you go, 'cause if you go for good, all life is gone as well. So everyone, save water.
Make sure the tap is fully turned off before you leave the sink. If left on for a long time, this can actually waste a lot of water. Don't leave the shower running for longer than you have to. Even though the hot water might seem really nice, you'll be saving that water for another day to have another shower. And you'll be cutting down your parents' hydro bill. Did you know about 5 million deaths per year are caused by waterborne diseases? That's because we don't have enough fresh water in the world to sustain everybody. Rain barrels are a great way for us to help conserve water. They take rainwater and let us use it when we're watering our plants. But not when we're drinking, because it's not usually clean.
You should, 'cause you're not just saving water, you're saving life as well. Water isn't just a drink, it's used for other things, like watering the farmers' crops and helping all the grass stay green. But we must still make sure that none of it is wasted, so the fish are not without a home. H2O, I hate to see you go, 'cause if you go for good, all life is gone as well. So everyone, save water like you should, 'cause you're not just saving water, you're saving life as well.